Hi and welcome to another watercolor video for World Watercolor Month. This year I am posting a bunch of videos about watercolors, experimenting with them, some fun techniques and things to try with watercolors. So I did have one video that I posted yesterday, so definitely check that out if you're interested. And today what I'm going to be doing is exploring a really fun and relaxing, it's very relaxing to do this, way to paint with watercolors. I'm going to be using the Prime Art Iris Watercolours. This is actually a set of watercolors that I won in a competition last year. I've taken them out of their packaging and I've rearranged them into this tin, which I got from a thrift store. And I made a little kind of palette for them using bottle tops where I've put all the different colors. And then over here I did like a swatch of all the colors. You can see they're really nice and vibrant, and so far I'm really enjoying using these watercolors. So far what I'm going to be showing you today is just, it's a really fun way to paint. It is so simple and great for if you're just beginning with watercolors, as well as if you just want to try some relaxing techniques with watercolors. So this is one example that I made a few days ago, and today I'm going to be doing something similar, but I'm going to leave a space in the middle where I'm going to do a quote that I like, and yeah, it'll be really fun to do it. So let's get into this video. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll give this technique a try. It's really fun, relaxing, and definitely recommended. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.